So Saima and Fatima, today we will learn finite and non-finite verb. So depending on the function of in a sentence, verb is classified into two categories. Which one? Number one is finite and another one is non-finite. It's quite essential, and without understanding finite and non-finite, you cannot really understand the full meaning of sentence. You cannot, to be honest, get the full meaning. Sometimes you can see that there are two verbs, three verbs, but you cannot judge the main verb. So finite and non-finite is very critical. Okay. First of all, finite verb is a action verb. For example, let me show you. Kishan reads the book every day. So what is the verb? Kishan, right? Kishan reads. This is the main verb. Is there any other verb? No verb, right?
No.
So this is the only verb. And let me show you another non-finite verb. You can see
Non-finite verb. No.
swimming is good exercise.
Yes.
So you can see swimming is a verb, is another verb, right? But swimming is not really a verb. It's a form of verb. You can see ing. You can add ing to make it noun. This swimming is not verb here anymore. It is noun. And it is subject now. And this is a main verb here. Okay? That's why this swimming is called non-finite. It still looks like a verb, but not act as a verb. Okay?
Okay.
Like a family. You can see, for example, your family in Malaysia, your father is earning money and your mother works for home, right?
Yes. Yes.
Your mother is not earning money, but still she is functioning all the other domestic work. Take care of you, take care of your father's food, take care of your meals, everything. But he doesn't really recognize as a money maker. Your father is only does the thing, money making. So in a sentence, you will only have an active verb, which is called finite verb. That basically changes after the tense, subject, and gender and number. For example, swimming is. But another one, he enjoys playing. Now you can see two verbs here, but you cannot say which one is main verb here. Can you say that?
No.
This enjoy is main verb. He enjoys playing the guitar. So looks like there are two verbs, but you cannot say which one is main verb, right? You need to, in that case, see which verb is basically changes after the subject, according to the subject. So he enjoys, he is a third person singular number, and according to that, enjoy changes, right?
Yes.
So that's why you need to make sure that this enjoy is a finite verb, and we can call that this enjoy is a finite verb, and playing is not verb anymore. It works as a noun. Playing is a noun here. Similar like swimming, noun here. Okay? So he enjoyed verb, playing is a noun. Okay? So that's why it is called non-finite verb. Okay? So infinitive, finite and non-finite. All the active verbs in a sentence called finite, and all the inactive verbs looks like verb but not verbs anymore are called non-finite. Fatima and Saima, can you understand now?
Non-finite. A little.
Yeah. So in that case, let me show you non-finite verbs are three types. One is infinitives, like I like to learn. I like to, when you add to an infinitive, is called infinitive. Huh? To plus verb. Participle like third form of verbs. Like a broken glass. I can see a broken glass. So it basically always used as an adjective. Huh? Third form. but it still used as a adjective. And gerund is something when you add ing to the verb with the verb and it works like a noun. So, for example, playing cricket is my favorite pastime. Swimming is my favorite pastime. Can you understand it now?
Yes. Yes.
So let me show you in detail. So what is finite? Finite verbs are verbs that the subject and shows tense, number, and person. Now you can see it, right?
Number.
Finite verbs are verbs that have subject and shows tense, number, and person. In other words, they are main verbs in a sentence and can stand alone as a verb in a clause. But when you have non-finite verb, please read it loud.
Non-finite verbs do not change according to the subject, tense, or number. These verbs cannot be the main verb of a clause. There are three types of non-finite verbs: infinitives, gerund, and participles.
So what is infinitives? Have a look. Infinitives are base form of verb with preceded by to. Like to go, to play, to run. Okay. These are called infinitives.
Okay.
He wants to go. You can see wants to go. To win the match is there. To win. It also work like a noun as well. To win. That means win. It's similar like win. And also you can see gerund. Second one is gerund. A gerund is a form of ing and verb. Like swimming, enjoys playing. These are called gerund. Okay. But it's not gerund when you say I am playing. I am playing is not gerund because it's present participle and it is basically present continuous. Let me show you. If you say I am swimming now. You can see this swimming and this swimming is not same. This swimming is main verb. And this swimming is noun. It is present continuous tense. You can see I, subject, am auxiliary verb, and this is main verb plus ing. Right?
Yes.
But this swimming is not following any tense. This is present indefinite tense. Swimming is a good exercise. Can you understand now? So,
yes.
When you see this ing form, what as a verb is not gerund. But when you see the ing form of verb is work like, not work like verb, is gerund. Like it's sitting in front of it, it's sitting after the verb, okay? But this one always, when you make present continuous tense, it always sit after auxiliary verb. Like he is reading, I am playing, they are going, okay? Going, playing, these are main verb. But here, these are not main verb. These are in non-finite verb, okay? Gerund. This is not functional verb, but this is functional verb. This is not a verb here, but this is verb here, okay? Can you understand?
Yes.
Right? So, verb is basically two types. One which is active in a sentence is called finite verb. Another one is not active in a sentence, but work like a noun, adjective, is called non-finite. In non-finite verb, there are three types. infinitives, gerund, and participle. You can see participle now. The crying baby was hungry. So here, was is a main verb, right? But looks like
Yes.
cry is a verb, but it describing the baby. The baby looks, the status of baby is crying, right?
Yes.
It's like a broken glass. I can see a broken glass. And another one, she saw him running down. So this saw is a main verb, finite verb. This is non-finite verb.
Non-finite.
Okay. So
Okay.
if you see another one, you can see broken window. Needs to be fixed. Here, how many non-finite verbs? There are many. For example, the broken is non-finite. Fixed is non-finite. To be is also non-finite. There are 3 non-finite verbs and only 1 finite verb. Can you understand now?
Yes. Yes.
This is non-finite, this is non-finite, and needs is a present indefinite. So this is present simple, and this one is non-finite. Although they looks like verb, but this is not functional verb. This is not active verb. Okay. But here the cooked food was delicious. Was is a non-finite verb. Sorry, finite verb. Cooked is a non-finite verb. Okay. So summary: finite verb shows tense, number, subject, agreement. He eats rice. So you can see eats is a finite verb. When you go to another example, you can see non-finite verb don't show tense or agreement. It's infinitive, gerund, or participle. 3 types. Infinitive like to go. Gerund is ing. Participle is eaten, eating, broken, something like that. And if you see everything in a comparison, you can see the comparison. You can see the comparison. So now I hope you understand everything, right?
Yes.
Okay, good. So let me show you in a table. You can see Krishna writes a letter. Here, writes is a finite, right? No non-finite
Yes.
part. Okay. I love to play. Can you tell me what love is a
Love
finite verb?
is a finite
Main verb.
verb.
But to is a infinitive or non-finite verb, right?
Yes.
Remember, non-finite is 3 types. If it is two verb, it's called finite. If it is ing, gerund. If it is like past participle, called participle. Okay? You can see they are swimming. This is main verb. There is no non-finite. Can you understand? This is continuous tense. Eh? He hopes to visit London. Hopes is a main verb. To visit is a non-finite. We enjoyed. Enjoyed is a main verb. Watching is a non-finite. He was told to stay quiet. Was is a main verb. Was told is a main verb because it is in passive voice. To stay is a non-finite. Now is it clear?
Finite. Yes.
Saima, Fatima? So,
Yes.
if you do not understand what is the main verb in a sentence, you cannot learn English properly. So, understanding the finite and non-finite is very important. Okay, I have given a big list here so that you can see. So, in the next class, I will give you some quiz so that you can give me some answer. Huh? Why finite and non-finite verbs understanding is important? You need to get the clarity of a sentence structure. Huh? Effective communication, verb agreement, advanced writing and speaking, grammatical accuracy in exam. So all of them are integrated. So finite and non-finite verbs are integral part of English grammar. Okay? Integral part means it cannot separate this part. Okay? So thank you very much. This is all about finite and non-finite. Thank you.
Cheers.